Good morning everyone. How are you? I think you all are very good and happy enjoying your winter break. You know that winter break has been extended. That's why we decided to make videos on different important topics that will help you to enshine your life. So today my topic is present simple tense. You can say, sir, this topic has been taught many times. Why are you making video once again? I want to say that I observed when you wrote your answers, when I checked your answer, I found most of the mistakes you are committing, that is in present simple tense. You are committing, I know you are doing mistakes in that you are not able to differentiate simple present tense in singular and plural forms. That's why let's start today's video. This video will be very interesting. Your job is that you have to watch the video properly, and one worksheet will be attached with the video. You have to complete that worksheet. Okay, let's start. So our topic is present simple tense. Dear students, first thing is there. What is the use of present simple tense? Means when should we use this present simple tense in writing and speaking? So that is some points are given there when we use present simple tense, like habit, routine, universal truth, scientific fact. When you want to talk about big things, habit, routine, universal truth and scientific fact, that time you can use present simple tense. And for that you must know the rule. What is the structure? What is the basic structure of present simple tense? Right? So for that you can say that's subject plus verb first form plus object. Means there are many types of verbs, many forms of verbs like first form, second form, third form. On the other hand, you can say present simple, present form, past form, future form, past form and past participle forms like write, wrote, written. So which form you will use in this present simple tense? The first form of verbs mean present forms of the verb like go and walk. Right, these words you can use in this tense. So I have written a note. Note means in this you will get some additional information, like singular subject. For suppose you want to make a sentence in present simple tense, and you make singular subject. That time what you have to do? So again, like singular subject can be Rohan. Rohan at the place of Rohan, Sohan, Mohan. Tina, Rina, any single name can be, and pronoun like she, he, it, and for suppose animals are there, singular animals, singular noun like dog, dog, cat, snake, singular. That time which kind of verb will be used? Like add as yes. That time you have to use add as yes at the end of the verb, like go is the verb here. So if you use these subject, that time you have to the first form of the verb is go. You have to add that here yes, like goes. Here walk is here, so the verb will be walks. Put is there, it will be puts. Rise, first form of the root word is rise, it will be rises. It is the read, it will be reads. Now, sometimes you want to make sentence in that your subject will be plural. That time you can say that only verb first form will be used. Means present form of the verb will be used. Like, and you want to make a subject like they, we, I, you, I. It is naturally it is I is a singular first person, but it is categorized in in that you have to use only first form of the verb. You, Mohan. And here, Mohan and Sohan, two nouns are together. Sometimes you want to make sentence like Mohan and Sohan play cricket. So how do you make it? That's why I have written. So two names can be plural also, like Mohan, Sohan and Rohan. Play cricket. So in that case, which kind of verb you have to use? See, go, walk, put, rise, read. Mean basic form of the verb. First present form of the verb will be used in the case of when you make plural subject of the sentence. Now see some examples are here. Like if you want to make subject like he or she or Mohan, anyone. So how sentence will be like that? Mohan goes to school. Either you say she goes to school. So see, it is a habit. I think a routine also goes to school. A routine. You want to describe your routine. That time you can make this type of sentences. Like she goes to school. And you want to. This is a positive sentence. You want to make negative sentence. So how sentence will be? Mohan does not go to school. See here. You can ask me, sir, why this the first form of the verb is do? So why it is does? Why it does? Because subject here is singular subject. That's why it became does. Otherwise, if you use do here, it will be wrong. Why it is does? Because subject of the sentence is in singular form. That's why Mohan does not go to school. Similarly, you can make a sentence into interrogative sentence. Like, why does he go to school? And format of interrogative that, but if you are making double interrogative, WH questions you are making, that time the first question word will come, question word, and after that helping word, then subject, after that main word, then object you can use. So here see, why does he go to school? This is interrogative sentence. Similarly, some other sentence you can see also. This sentence is about universal truth. The sun rises in the east. The question is why rises? Rises because the subject is sun. The subject is sun here, and the sun is singular. That's why you have to use rises. If you write rise, the sentence will be wrong. And here I made only one sentence in plural, right? They play football in the evening. So see, here play, the main one is here play. In that I haven't used S or ES. Why? Because subject is plural. That's why no need to add any other S or ES. I think you understood all these points. The main thing and main important thing in this video is that you must know the difference between singular subject and plural subject. If singular subject is there, that time you have to add SES in the end of the verb, and if plural subject is here, in that case you have to use only the first form of the verb. I hope you understood my video and watch this video many times to understand every details, and you can make your own sentences also. Have a great day. Thank you so much.